Hey guys, it's Jeff Jones with theboxman.com. What we have here is the GTV BT1. This is the Bluetooth remote from Formuler, and I'm going to connect this to our new Z11 Pro Max. Here's the remote that the Z11 comes with. They're actually very similar. If you look really close, they have the same hotkeys there. The only difference is you're going to see this button here. This controls the Google Voice. So we're going to connect this. And I have these for sale in a bundle package with the Z10, the Z11s, the Z10s. So if you ever wanted to buy one of these for the the more, upgraded Formula devices, you can always do that. Sorry. But right now, I'm going to take a look. We're going to unpack this, and we're going to connect it. I'm going to show you how to put it on your device right now. Hey, good evening, everyone. This is Jeff Jones. I am a spokesman for theboxman.com and not stress-free streaming, but thestreammachines.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. And in this video, this is a redo video of the Bluetooth, the Formuler Bt1 or BT1 Bluetooth remote. Now, what I want to do is just go ahead and redo this. I want to connect this so you can see how easy it is to do it. Now, when you have one of these Bluetooth remotes, these are absolutely phenomenal to have. You don't need one, but it just makes streaming a little bit easier. Now, there are a couple of units from Formuler that will not work with this BT1 remote. One is an older Neo, Z Plus Neo. It will not work. And the newer Z10 SE, it will not work. It does not have the Bluetooth functionality in it. But everything above that will definitely work, like the Z10 Pro and the one I'm about to show you right now, the Z11 Pro Max. So what you want to do is you want to grab your remote control, make sure there's batteries in it, and you want to go down here to the very bottom, and you can go to where it says Bluetooth here, right? The next thing you want to do is you want to go down to Remote and Accessories and press OK. Then on your remote, you want to get into pairing mode. To do that, you want to hit the menu button and the OK button for 3 seconds. So let's do that now. And you do that until you see a white light. You let go. And then you choose that at the top and press OK, and it'll begin to pair. And it's paired. It's that simple. And it gives you a serial number or an ID number. Now, once that's paired, the other thing I did is I went into the settings. I already did it. Let me see if I have to do it again. I'm going to go to Device Preferences, press OK. And then I'm going to go to Google Assistant, and it's already on. And you'll see my account right there. My Google account is there. And so I already have Google Assistant on, and I've already connected it. I'm pretty sure it's connected to my Google Play Store. So let's check it out. Open Google Play Store.
Opening Google Play Store.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
So basically, this changes the way you watch TV. This changes the way you stream. This just changes everything because it just makes it really, really easy to get good quality information by using the remote. Now, the next thing you want to do is make sure you have this app downloaded, and you can find that in this market right here. This market is the market that Formuler, who you're buying the box from, the manufacturer, gives you applications in here that you can use. They come by default. You don't have to pay for them. They do have Netflix and things that you have to pay for. So everything's not free and illegal, but this helps you do your box, like utilities, speed tests, and all kinds of things like that. So having this already on your device like this here, this is a remote control. It helps you really personalize your remote control. So I have the GTV BT1. I'll press OK. You can see that I'm connected. I've already set up my hotkeys. I think I did, or the color keys here. So you say I already set up my color keys, so when you can set up the keys to open up different applications. And we have another video by that, but this is a great app where you can set up the TV IR to work with your Vizio or whatever smart TV you have. So this remote control is different than the line of sight remote controls, the cheap ones. Why? This remote control is intuitive to the unit itself. It has a software program designed specifically for it. So it's like it's attached to it, or it's part of the whole ecosystem of the Formuler box. Whereas some of the, the other devices that you might get cheaper, their remote controls are trash and they don't work very well. And you always feel like you have to press 3 and 4 times for one button or one functionality to work correctly. Not on a Formuler. So there's a reason why these devices are more expensive, because you get what you pay for. Garbage in your body, garbage out. Good food in, good fuel in, good food out, good fuel out. So it's the same way in anything that you invest in. And that's how you connect the remote control. It's very, very simple. If you have any other questions, I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll put a link in the description of the video. And also, we have some great Christmas specials. Thank you guys for those who wanted to trade in their older Formuler units for the Z11 Pro Max. I am looking to help anyone in Christmas get a great device, whether it's one of our inexpensive devices but that play very well, or you want the most expensive, which is the Formuler Z11 Pro Max. Either way it goes, no one beats theboxman.com. No one beats the Boxman. We're the best in the business because we help you change the way that you should watch TV.